this question is no longer res integra because the Supreme Court has held that under section 24, the wife's dependents are also covered.
Where is that?
The observation?
Yes.
If I may invite your ladyship's attention to para 11 of the impugned order. Para 11, your ladyship can find it at page 28 of the writ petition. If I may read. A bare reading of the above provision connotes that husband or wife can file an application for interim maintenance during the pendency of the petition filed under the said act. This provision is silent about the maintenance pending to the minor children under the similar provisions of other acts. Therefore, this court is not inclined to grant any maintenance to the minor child of the petitioner and respondent. The court proceeds to grant a maintenance of rupees 5,000 when the wife is unemployed, when the husband is unable of
Court has granted 5,000.
5,000.
Yes, please come. Agreed with orders passed in. I number 3 in MC number 5196 of 2023 dated 19th October 2024, whereby the court had granted 5,000 per month as maintenance to the wife and denied the maintenance to the children. Further, granted an amount of rupees 10,000 to his litigation expenses. The wife is before this court. MC 5196 of 2023 is filed by the husband seeking restitution of conjugal rights. In that, wife had filed an I number 3, seeking maintenance of an amount of rupees 60,000 per month towards interim maintenance of the respondent minor children and also for herself. It is a case that and also for herself. It is a case that the children are aged 7 and 5 years and she has to take care of the child. Though she is a BE graduate, she is a nominee in the record of employment, medical insurance and savings account in the banks. Wife is unnecessarily creating issues from the date of marriage for having separate house. Even after many conciliation, wife has not changed her behavior and is threatening the husband, his parental family members to end up the married life if separate house is not provided. And according to the husband, he is drawing a salary of 1,05,000. His general monthly expenses are about 80,000. He spent rupees 45,000 per month towards the medical and other expenses of the dependent parents. According as such, and further, as a wife is competent to take care of herself, she is not entitled for maintenance. The court, by order impugned, had held that under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, the children are not entitled for maintenance. And the wife is employed, and the reasons that are stated for not working, see page now, SCC 7 at paragraph number
6.
As held that
from that section 24 of the act, your ladyship. If I may invite your ladyship's attention to that part. In between, section 24 of the act, no doubt.
The court has observed that section 24 of the act, no doubt, talks of maintenance of the wife during the pendency of the proceeding, but this section, cannot be read in isolation and cannot be given restricted meaning to hold that it is the maintenance of the wife alone and no one else. The court has, Honorable Apex Court has observed that her right to claim maintenance would include her own maintenance and that of the daughter. Relying on this judgment, and counsel submits that the order passed by the court needs to be set aside. Next para. This matter has come up before this court on several occasions. On every occasion, the matter came up. Learned counsel for the respondent husband had sought for time. On 23/7/2024, This court has adjourned the matter at the request of learned counsel for the respondent on 23/7/2025 and directed the matter to be listed on 25/7/2025. Then again, when the matter came up on 25/7, asked for a passover, and as due to paucity of time, the matter could not be taken up. Again, the matter was directed to be listed on 28/7/2025. The petition will be allowed with cost of rupees 50,000. Today also, in the morning when the matter is called, listed under the head part heard. Today, again a request is made for a passover. Though the learned counsel, the petitioner has opposed, considering the case of the considering the submission made on behalf of the respondent. The matter is directed to be, then the matter is passed over. Again in the afternoon, there is no representation on behalf of the respondent counsel. Considering that it appears that the respondent time and again is seeking adjournment and taking the process for granted, and these kind of these kind of tactics will not work. Hence, having given sufficient opportunity, as discussed in the above paragraph, this court is inclined to pass orders on the merits of it. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, peruse the entire material on record. There is no dispute about the fact why for not working, that finding of the court cannot be sustained. Then coming to this, that under section 424, children are not entitled. In the light of the law laid down in Jaspir Kaur Sehgal reported supra, this court is of the view that when the mother is taking care of the expenses of the children, it has to include the children's expenses can also be sought in an application filed under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act. Then now what would be the quantum, the appropriate amount of maintenance for both the children and the wife, considering the salary of 1,05,000 the husband is getting. In the considered opinion of this court, 15,000 for the children and 15,000 to the wife would be an appropriate maintenance. Accordingly, the order of the family court is modified and the maintenance is extended. My maintenance is enhanced to 30,000. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of with costs of rupees 50,000 to be payable to the wife within 4 weeks from today. Yes, next.
Grateful.
Cell number 7. Cell number 7.
This petition is filed by the husband. The family court
Is overruled. What about the remaining submissions? The office objection shall be complied with within 2 days, or else the writ petition shall stand dismissed. Petition shall stand dismissed without further reference to the court.
For orders matter, cell number 8. Raja Subramania Bhatt.
Weeks time not comply.
Finally, a week's time default order. Then, as far as R3 is concerned, as per the postal share, the same is returned with an endorsement unclaimed, amounts to deemed service of notice. Then for R1, for taking steps, a week's time. Cholamandala, who appears? IFCO Tokyo, where is that list? In 8, Cholamandala. Mr. Hitsis Lingaras is directed to take notice on behalf of the second respondent and IFCO Tokyo. Mr. B. Pradeep is directed to take notice on behalf of R4, then B. Pradeep. Both the learned counsel for the appellant.
K. Prasanna Shetty. For appellant.
There are two appeals. One is by the insurance company and one is by the claimant.
Mm.
Application for non-filing of translated copies for in the appeal filed by the insurance company.
Mm.
It will be taken up for hearing, my lord, any day, your lordships.
No, but without a translated copy, what will the court do? Documents,
In
copies
their,
of the documents,
The deposition.
not the impugned order is in,
Not is in English, my lord.
the land council submits that the impugned order. You have the docket sheet on?
Because depositions are in Kannada, that's why.
Why, you're seeking enhancement? Why
No,
the
their
deport?
appeal, insurance company appeal, they have, my lord, challenged the liability.
Office of it, that proceeding sheet. The list is smarter. Land council submits that the impugned order is in
English.
English. The list is matter for hearing, both the matters, list both these matters for hearing. Admit post of hearing, final hearing. TCR is there, call for the TCR.
Please.
Is there?
Here is.
Yes.
Sale number
This is
11.
matter.
Any date?
Give a date for that on
7th.
28th August,
Please.
20.
it's 11th.
Please.
Sale number 11.
Land counsel for the petition submits that he has already paid the process today, but as default order is passed by the court on 22/7/2025, giving a week's time. In view of the same, the petition is dismissed. He'll come up with appropriate application within a week. Within a week is orange, no application shall be entertained after that.
Sale number 12. Archana Murthy.
Why they are sending, again keeping it here? Hmm. This court, no, office has no power. Court has already passed an order and that is dismissed. Why should it come again? On 22/7/2025, a week's time is granted to do the needful. By the time if the needful is not done, writ petition shall stand dismissed. As the order is not complied with, the writ petition is dismissed
Sale
for
number,
non-compliance with the order dated so and so. Yes,
sale number 13.
yes, where is the memo?
Memo for withdrawal.
Take no record and dismissed as withdrawn.
Samba Court direction, I have,
Writings.
and summons has been served, my lord. Acknowledgement is here, filing, my lord.
File the acknowledgement or give it, what is that, let's see.
The trial call, council of the trial court, my lord. The Samba Court are directed to
It is
serve
submitted
the hand
that.
summons, my lord.
Where do you get that?
My lord, they are not mentioned the date of receiving order, madam. The council for the,
What is his name at least?
my lord, mentioned, left side of the mentioned as their name, my lord.
Somebody puts their initial. Will you understand their name?
Yes, my lord.
That's why I'm asking every advocate, whenever you file a memo, say that this
In
is
the
the counsel
trial
for so
court
and so.
advocate has just and received the just and
He might have received just, but it is your duty to give the name of the advocate. The petitioner shall file
I've
a proper
sent the
memo
notice, my lord,
indicating the
through
name of
counsel.
the advocate. Yes, next.
already the Summer Court issued the notice also, already the Summer Court issued the notice also, notice is await, my lord.
Tell that name, find out, so is it not a big task? Your counterpart will tell what is the advocate's name.
My lord, is mentioned in the odd name, Raghavendra, Ragan.
Land counsel for the petition shall file a memo, fresh memo, mentioning the name of the advocate.
Name also
in the-
mentioned here.
I think you understand. 6 time to get instructions. This is matter day after tomorrow. Yes, next 17.
Sale number 18. Sale number 18. Kiran Michael Perez.
File the IA.
Eyes have already been, so
Oh, 17.
main matter.
Yes. Where is the advocate? No settlement.
No, the demands are becoming too much. It is impossible to settle with her.
Yes, please come. Agreed with the orders passed in. Huh? What is that?
Now she wants to say something, is what she's saying. Can
You
she talk?
cannot say, your advocate has to say, you cannot say before the court.
Advocate Kwan.
Pass over. Yes, next.
Say number 19.
What happened to 18?
Hearing for the petition amendment. There are settlement talks between the parties.
What happened to 17?
1768. Morning, that is 16 is Shivaram will say that morning be submitted tomorrow. Date is clear. Tomorrow. Date is clear.
16. 17?
17 now 68. Day after tomorrow.
My lord.
Let's see what is the order.
Yes, my lord.
What is the income of the husband?
My lord, he says income is 40,000, but his parents, and he has been employed, he says he's in employment in a school, but the school is run by him only, my lords.
So there should be some material before the court. Whatever assertions, we will not. Please tell the court what is the material to say, so and so is the income you are entitled for so and so amount.
My lords, his income as per the family court order is 40,000, my lords.
Then how can you have 1 lakh?
My lords, because the kid has been admitted to National Hillview Public School, my lords, before the divorce petition was filed, and the total fee receipt comes up to around 2 lakh rupees, my lords, per year for grade 2A, and I'm not able to sustain myself as well as the kid.
No, please understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever all the parts that has transpired between the parties earlier, court is not concerned. Now we are seeking maintenance.
Yes, ma'am.
According to the husband, he filed his statement of asset to prove, not mere, the aberrament in the petition is not sufficient. There should be some proof to show that he is earning 1 lakh. I mean, if you are asking 1 lakh, at least you should be having 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs income.
Because that aspect has not been considered by the family code itself.
Page 126, that is, my lord, order passed under section 125 CRPC.
1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. Increase. Speed and increase. Yes, where is impugned order?
My lord, page number 126, my lord, annexure H. Let's see, order passed under section 125 CRPC, my lord, by the family court Davangere. My lord, this matter, my lord, wife had also initiated proceedings under section 12 of the
This is a
DE Act.
final order. This is a final order.
My lord, please, my lord.
Then how did you file a writ petition?
My lord, I'm on a different ground that, my lord, section 125 proceedings could not have been entertained, my lord. My lord, she has
No,
filed
whatever it
multiple-
is.
My lord, she
Whatever
has
it
filed
is, even if
multiple
you say that,
different acts.
No. Even if you say that it is not maintainable, you have to question it before an appropriate court by way of a appropriate application.
Yes.
The present petition is filed, questioning an order, passed in criminal miscellaneous number, so and so.
Dharwad court, my lords, wherein, my lords, the suit was Dharwad court, my lords, wherein, my lords, the suit was decreed in favor of the husband. And
Then after what happened?
And after that, she is not staying with the husband. Wife is not staying with the husband. Now she has come to Bangalore. Therefore, this miscellaneous petition has.
Let's see how it is decided.
Please, my lords. Page number, my lords. 20, my lords. Observation of the court, my lords. May I read, my lords?
So right from 2014, you are not taking care of the children.
2014, I have not taken care of the children. That is because
No.
they are, my lords, I have not taken care of the children. Is that I have taken care of the children not by paying the respondent whatever money she has sought.
Not about, let's not quantify what it is. No. What is that you're doing from 2014 till 2025 as far as the children are concerned?
Nothing, my lords.
Why you can grant any order? Does this matter next week?
Please,
The
ma'am.
request of land council for the petitioner. You can grant any order. Does this matter next week?
Please,
The
ma'am.
request of land council for the petitioner. The petition is permitted to take out hand summons on the council appearing for the respondent and shall file a memo to that effect by the next date of hearing.
Grateful. sir.
Yes.
Till number 24, Krishnamurthy and
Yes.
Pay for the petitioner in this case. ma'am.
Yes.
Wife's petition for seeking annulment of marriage.
Hmm.
And 2014, they got married, my lord.
What is the impugned order?
Interim order is to provide maintenance and also other expenses.
How
And
much is
without-
the amount?
18,000 is the, 18,000 is award. Annexure A, page 14, please, my lord. Annexure B, Annexure A.
Operative
Which-
portion is where?
Operative portion starts from page 21, please, my lord. There is no clear finding as to how it is, because she is,
It is from a domestic violence case.
please, my lord.
How can you file a writ petition here?
No, this is order passed and OS filed by the wife for seeking maintenance. Family court, she has filed the petition for annulment.
Correct,
of
the family court.
Please, my lord.
What is IA under the?
IA is
the
filed under
protection of
section,
women from
IA is
domestic
filed under
violence?
section 20. They belong to a Muslim community, my lord.
Hmm.
Should play, they belong to a Muslim community, my lord.
Hmm.
Should play, a suit is filed, instead of MC, suit is filed
Correct,
seeking for
that I can
annulment of marriage.
understand. Hmm.
Yes, please. So in case if it was a DVA act under which the application had filed, then I could have filed an appeal before the,
That's what I'm saying.
then, but it does not come to the purview of the, because it is anyhow, it is filed before the family court, which jurisdiction can be exercised, my lord.
It's not about your remedy. It is we are on the remedy of the wife.
No, because our application, she has come before the family court. Now the application is allowed. So hence being agreed by that order, I am before this court, exercises my right.
That I
under the
understand,
writ
Mr.
petition.
Counsel. That I understand.
Please, ma'am.
I'm not saying about your remedy. I'm asking how this is filed and entertained.
Because it's come under the OS only, madam. Not even if it is filed under 125, it will termed as in the OS one. Because
Correct,
she has
sir.
not, she has filed for annulment of marriage, but application is filed under the DV Act, seeking for maintenance. OS 129 of.
The income of the husband, your ladyship, is about 8 lakhs. He had not filed his affidavit before the court on account of him suffering from losses in his business. I have produced documents to corroborate the same. My income tax returns were filed by the wife before the court. The reasoning given by the court is that the turnover of his business runs to several crores of rupees and hence he has wherewithal, but the document speaks for itself. If I may take your ladyship through the reasoning at page
You
123.
yourself are saying 8 lakhs is your income per month.
About 8 lakhs, not per month, your ladyship, my 8 lakhs annually.
Where is that?
My document, if your ladyship sees annexure H at page number 50.
Hmm.
This is what was produced by the wife before the
What did you
family
produce?
court. Your ladyship, my affidavit was not filed on account of me suffering. There were several losses in the business. I produced documents showing that I had taken loans
How
from the
many
banks.
times the time is granted to you?
Your ladyship, about 4 opportunities were granted.
Then we will not interfere.
Certainly. But if I may take your ladyship through the documents to show that he does not have the wherewithal to pay
Will not do it.
40,000.
I'm making it very, very clear because you can't waste lower court's time. Again, you can't come here and wait this court's time. Why should we do this exercise?
Indeed, your ladyship. But
Court is given. Why you have not? Party will not come to the court. Need not come. You are there. Advocate will represent.
party didn't have to come, but he was suffering from loss. I produced loan statements showing that around that time his business was suffering.
Why you have not filed is the question. If you are
It was-
suffering from loss, give him 1 crore of loan.
The loan is on the business. If I may take your ladyship through the documents, Annexure K clearly shows loans are taken. He's a fruit merchant. Loans are taken in the name of the business. Turnover, yes. If your ladyship sees page number 66, this is what the observation of the family court is. Seeing the turnover being in 5 crores, but the profit written next to that, my net profit is 5,76,727 for a financial year after excluding all expenses that have been paid. I do not have the wherewithal to pay nearly 4,80,000 per annum, your ladyship.
So for the benefit of the society, you are doing the business by taking 1 crore loan and
Ladyship.
earning only 8 lakhs per annum.
I'm trying
What
to
would
make
be
money
the-
out
what
of
would
it.
be the interest
Right
you-
now, I was informed about a month back, business has been shut. That's what I have been informed about the month back that it's been said. If I may,
Let notice go to the wife. We'll not come to these kind of.
I may request for a reduction in the amount for the arrears. I will continue. I will start paying the money to the wife, your ladyship. If I may.
Why, this is a process. First, court should pass an order, then you should come here, then court should say half of the amount.
Your ladyship,
Then
arrears
no-
run to
then
6
the
lakhs.
respondent should come.
Arrears run to 6 lakhs. I'm requesting for some respite in this matter. Pertaining
What
to
is
the
the amount
arrears.
granted?
Amount granted is 40,000 per month, your ladyship.
25,000, half of the amount, 35,000, half of the amount, shall deposit 25,000 by 5th of every succeed.
Everything and I have done, please, my lord.
What is her medical treatment?
My lord, type 1, she's also suffering from kidney and also issue and also type 1 diabetes she's suffering from. I have given the treatment. It is not the issues that I am not able to do that, my lords. Kindly will be taken at, please, my lords, kindly. Half of the amount I can able to pay, my lords. Even I have
What
to,
I said. That is what I said, half amount only. It is submitted that the petitioner husband has already spent a lot of amounts for her medical expenses. All these aspects were not disclosed by the wife. Considering the same, they shall be stayed. So in the earlier order, reasons are stated. In the earlier order, in the earlier order, then council submits that though the turnover is 5 crores, though the turnover is running into crores, but his income is 8 lakhs per annum. It is submitted that court has failed to consider the same. So on that condition. Yes, next. In this also 28th hand summons.
Much.
Arrears also.
much-
Huh? Huh?
Cell number 27.
Speaking for the petitioners.
Neha
my
A.
lord.
Kalrao.
My lord, this is an enhancement petition filed by the petitioner wife.
Yes, notice to the respondent.
My lord, there's an
Hand
interim
summons.
prayer.
Huh?
Interim prayer has been sought for my lords.
What to stay the proceedings?
No, my lords, to enhance